बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम आमीन। A1 Maths P1 Binomial Theorem Lecture number 6. The equation of getting an A star is comprehensive concepts plus regular practice is equal to A star. Please follow this equation to get an A star in your A levels. Type 6 question. The expanded form of the two expansions will be given. This is the type 6 question. Method, how to solve this type of question. Follow the following steps for the solution. Step number 1. Expand both the given brackets. This is the step number 1. You need to expand both the brackets. Step number 2. Now multiply these brackets. Only multiply those terms which will help you to get the desired terms of x, instead of fully multiplying the two brackets. That will waste your time. Step number 3. Now compare the values with those on the right side of the equals to sign to find the values of the unknown constants. Basically, you need to compare both the expansions, the given expansion and the expansion you just expanded. Now example, we have two expansions on left hand side and this is the expanded form, and the question is find A and B. So according to those steps, we will first expand both the expansions of left side. So this is the answer of the first expansion, whereas this is the answer of the second expansion. Now get the simplified form of both the expansions before the multiplication. Now multiply 1 with this entire bracket, minus 4x with these two terms, and 4x square with 1 only. In this way of multiplication, you will get the desired terms. So after getting the desired terms till x square, now compare this expansion with the given expansion. So when you will compare both the expansions, so you will get a half. This is I compared coefficients of x on both sides, and this is I compared coefficients of x power 2 on both sides. So the answer of a is half and the answer of b is minus 17 upon 4. So we have done this type 6 question. Now I will discuss the last type in the next lecture, inshallah. Be humble and be down to earth. Allah Hafiz.